let's just dig in. I've read about this product. I actually wanted to get this product as a diaper bag, and I didn't. And now I got it for my daughter, and go. I see it. Oh my God! Here, let's open it. Wow! So it is a Kanken backpack. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong, but I got my daughter, my 2-year-old, my 2.5-year-old, I got her one of the most priciest, expensive backpacks out there. I was a little nervous to receive this because online on Amazon, when you're ordering this backpack, the colors are off. So this one says sky blue sweater, but as you can see, it's darker, dusty blue, but I love it anyway. The material is so thick. I love that. These are durable. These are actually like hiking bags. I love the fox handles. They open like this. You got 2 zippers. In the back, I want her to keep her iPad and her headsets in here and some other stuff. I love it. The quality is amazing. It's worth it. I think it's worth the price already, just feeling it. And it comes with a little how to adjust the straps, and then I love that it has a little label where you can put the name, and the zippers. I love the zippers. They feel strong. They feel like they're gonna last. She's using this until it falls apart. Look at the strap. That's so cute. Oh, I love it. How does it look on me? The main reason why I got this backpack for her is because I want to replace this thing. This is what I have to carry. And let me show you what's in this bag. In this bag, we have her potty seat. Yeah, if you have kids, I definitely recommend getting this travel size potty thing, seat thing. I don't know what it's called. And in here I have wipies, and I have disinfecting wipes, bleach wipes, you know, public restrooms. And I have this. I have spare underwear, spare toothpaste, toothbrush, floss, and a couple of socks. And I have another bag. And I have an empty bag. Why do I have an empty bag? I don't know. I'm gonna put this bag to the test. Was it really worth the $55 for what I want to use it for? I want to fit everything I already carry for my daughter in here. So let's see. I'm hoping I could fit this iPad with the cover on in this back pocket. Already by the looks of it, I don't think so. But let me see if I can squeeze it in. Oh no, not with this case. Maybe if I force it. No, it's not gonna fit with the case. So you know what? I wouldn't let her use it without the case, and I wouldn't put it away without the case. So I'm gonna put it in here. So you know what? Maybe her headsets will fit back there. Oh yes, the headsets fit perfectly here in the back, and I like that little extra protection back there. And her iPad is in there. Okay. So far, so good. Let's see if I can fit it in here. You know what? My husband says that I pack way too much. And maybe I do, but you just don't know with kids. And you know what? It looks like it did. I'm pretty impressed. Wow. And it looks cute. I won't be needing this anymore. Wow. Look at that. everything that I wanted to fit fits in here. And I still have room for a couple of snacks because I do like to carry around a few snacks for her. And we're running low. I always take at least 4. So here we are. Let's see if they fit. And I always carry some chapstick for her. So that fits in the little front pocket right here. Water bottle. I always like to carry the small one. I will probably have to put it inside, but you know what? Since I have the iPad inside, I don't think I want to risk putting it in here. But just as an example of how much you could fit, I guess I'll leave it for now. Wow, I am really impressed. Everything that was in here, my old bag that I used to carry for her, fits in this backpack. And you know what? I read that they have this design to even out the weight in the shoulders. Let's try it on. Oh, that's so cute. Feels good. Perfect. So if you're thinking of buying one, I would say definitely go for it. It's a must-have. You have to have this backpack. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Okay, see you next time.